The Princess Plus package offers an amazing value, but what exactly does it include? Let's chat about it. Hi, I'm Michele. I'm a Princess Cruises certified expert, and today we're chatting about the Princess Plus package, what it includes, and why you might want it. If you pre-purchase the Princess Plus package and you are going on most of the ships, it is $65 US per person per day if you purchase it as long as it's before the 4-day prior to departure. Once you get into that 4-day prior to departure, or if you are booking it on board, it is going to cost you an extra $5, so $70 US per person per day. If you are on the Sun or the Star Princess, the Sphere class ships, there is a premium cost to that because there's so much more available on those ships. And so that price is $70 US per person per day if you pre-book it, or $75 US per person per day if you are waiting in that 4-day prior to departure window or waiting until you are on board. The main reason people get the Plus package is because of three things: internet, gratuities, and drinks. Those are the big main three that people want included in their cruise. And that is why Princess has offered this Princess Plus package. Let's start with drinks. What exactly are drinks that are included in this? So you get 15 drinks per day, up to $15 each. These are your mocktails, your cocktails, your wines, your spirits, your beers, as well as any of your fountain soda drinks. Your specialty coffees and teas are actually unlimited. This was something that Princess faced a little bit of backlash when they first announced the 15 drink limit. And they were like, okay, actually our coffees and teas, specialty coffees and teas will be unlimited. They also added in a 12 bottled water limit. So that way you can have your bottled water, but it not count towards your 15 drinks. So you actually get 12 bottles of water on top of your 15 other drinks and the unlimited coffees and teas. Your gratuities are also included in this, and this is what Princess calls the crew appreciation. And this is basically the automatic gratuity that is added to your stateroom, or you can pre-purchase it in advance, which is what I usually recommend, so you don't have to worry about it. But if you have the Princess Plus package, you don't have to worry about it anyway. This is usually around $17, $18 per person per day, depending on what type of stateroom you are in. And this is like the tipping of the stateroom attendant, the behind the scenes people, your wait staff. I do recommend paying directly to those people a little bit extra, but that's a whole different video. But this is included, so you don't have to worry about it. If you're finding this video helpful and you're planning a Princess Cruise, be sure to subscribe, because I'm actually going to be doing a Princess Cruise Planning 101 whole series with you guys, so that way you can go through and plan your Princess Cruise and have everything you need to know. We also have a brand new private Facebook group just for people who are looking to plan their first Princess Cruise. And we're going to be in there helping with advice and tips and tricks and all that fun stuff. So go check that out in the comments. The other thing people really like is the Wi-Fi package. So with the standard package, you can often pay for just the Medallion Net. But with the Plus and Premier package, you get the Medallion Net Max, which is a bit faster speeds. And included with the Plus package is internet for one device. So it's perfect for most people who just have their phone. You can also disconnect from your phone to connect your laptop if you don't need things connected all at the same time. So it's a great option to have your Plus package have that included. The Plus package includes 4 casual dining meals. And I'm going to do a whole video on the different types of dining and stuff like that, because casual dining and what it is comes up so much in our ship groups. So casual dining basically is like a little step up from the included dining, but a step below the specialty, more fancy dining. And so for this, it's usually stuff like Gigi's Pizzeria, Alfredo's Pizzeria, Salty Dog Gastropub, the O'Malley's Pub, like that kind of somewhat sit down, but also like a lot faster of a meal than like a full bazillion course Sabatini's meal. So you get a little bit extra. And so you get 4 casual dining meals per person per cruise, regardless of the length of your cruise, which is still something that I'm like, Princess, about when it comes to the Plus package. They did up it from 2, so that made me happy. But you get 4 casual dining meals. And so these meals usually include an appetizer, an entree, and a dessert. And so you don't need to make reservations at these restaurants. They're just walk in. And lastly, you get your room service and your Ocean Now delivery included. The Ocean Now delivery is on your app. You can order your food or your drinks to almost anywhere on the ship. We absolutely love this feature. And even though we get the standard package, we still purchase the Ocean Now delivery because we just love to be able to be sitting at karaoke and order some food, that kind of thing. But when you have the Plus package, you don't have to worry about any of that. So like I said, I am doing a whole Princess planning and preparing guide for you guys coming up here soon. Every week I'll be posting new videos. So go check them out, and also check out this video right here. It'll eventually be the premiere video about the premiere package. But if you're watching this the first week it comes out, it's going to be a video that YouTube thinks you like.